So, hello, fellow freelancers. I said that again. Fellow freelancers and translators. I wanted to do this brief video just to let you know about something new that has come up on Proz, Proz.com job advertisements. And so I wanted to show you. Basically, this popped up, and now the quoting deadline has expired, so it got rid of all the identifying data. So I kind of wanted to show you what popped up. Basically, this job posting, 1,700 words, Italian to English, and it has all the details. And I wanted to share it with you, not because of the low price for proofreading and for translation. Unfortunately, low prices are with us all the time, but mainly because this is a COVID-19 related job, and so I got curious about this, and what this means and why it says that. So I wanted to look into posting a job and see where that comes up, why that comes up, et cetera, et cetera. So if you click on post a job, and then you click on, say actual translation, and now it has this option here, COVID-related job, COVID-19 related job. During the coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19 jobs will be given more visibility than the rest. Please check this option only if your project includes content related to the COVID-19 outbreak. And so let's say I click on this. Now, actually, I haven't tried this yet. But let's try this and see what happens. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have anything to, I don't have to prove that it's related to COVID-19. So I'm not saying this one is not related. I'm sure it is. Like I'm not saying that this is a scam or anything. But what I am saying is to beware. I've seen a growth in scams lately, and I'll probably address some of the other ones that I've come across later. But I just think everyone should beware during these days. So if you are applying to a job such as this, and it says COVID-19 related, I would, quite frankly, feel free to apply for the job, and whatever you need to do, and then ask for what needs to be translated. And then if you see that it's not related to COVID-19 at all, then you should probably report them to Proz.com because they're obviously taking advantage of the system. Because what happens here is, as it said, anything that's COVID-19 related. Oh, now I can't go back. How does this work? Anything that's not COVID-19 related is, let's just do this from the beginning again, or anything that is COVID-19 related will be given more visibility than the rest. So they might just be trying to get more visibility by using this, even though it's not really COVID-19 related. Obviously, if they are related to this, then they should be given more visibility. And and I agree with that 100%. But I don't agree with people who are trying to take advantage of this situation to get better deals for themselves. So I just wanted to give you a brief heads up about this and to be careful. I think if you see this, you should apply. And even if the rates are low, look, if it's helping people out, I'm all for that because it helps everyone out in the long term. And that's great. The only thing I'm worried about is if this has nothing to do with COVID-19. So, just something to keep in mind, and make sure if you do apply for a job like this that you verify. If you're working on the job and you see it has nothing to do with COVID-19, you might want to check with the person who assigned it to you and say, hey, this was supposed to be for COVID-19. Like, why isn't it? Or, does it have anything to do with that? And call them out on it, and definitely let Proz.com know because they should not be doing that at all. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will have another video with some of the other scams because actually I've been it seems like scams are coming up, unfortunately, in this day and age. So I will do a video talking more about that. That should be coming up soon. But for now, I just wanted to mention this because this is something you've probably either come across or will come across soon if you're using Proz.com. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. Savedum.